Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today we have this interesting short natural haircut for African American women. This is a cut for older, matured women, and it's a style that features mostly the teeny Winnie Afro, which we call the TWA. This haircut is a style that so are just so beautiful, and when it's nicely cropped together, it gives you this uh, overall beauty that really turns eye in every occasion. It's a cut that will take many years of your age. It's a haircut that is for matured women, especially if you have the round face, and it comes at looking its best is when you use the right products. Like we have products like the mirror, we have the tools. It will help to give it that defined coils it really needs. And you can use some beautiful oils, like we have some good quality oils like the coconut oil and the argan oil. Those are the kind of oil that will help to give your hair that shine and help it look so healthy. One beautiful thing about this tiny Winnie Afro is that it's easily styled. Like it's just so versatile. You can give it any pattern of your choice. See the way she's really flaunting the hair, because it's a style that you don't need to stress yourself in front of the mirror. It's a wash and go haircut for black women that really don't want to waste time in front of the mirror. I love this haircut because it helps to make your face appear so fuller, and it's more suitable for women that have the small face, because it will help to give you a fuller face and a fuller chin. It will help to accentuate your cheekbone too and your jaw line. Don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time here in When the Stars. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. And let us know your minds in the comment section below. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you also for watching to the end. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.